Hey guys, Custom Billy here from CustomRadio.com in Buffalo, New York. Here we have a 2023 Durango Hellcat that was just in for the new Escort Redline Ci 360C radar and laser package. So we went ahead and we did 3 laser jammer heads up front, and these are the new and improved, much smaller laser heads. Definitely a little bit nicer for install reasons, to tuck those away and make them, blend in with the front of the vehicle. This also has a front radar receiver that's going to be behind the bumper, and that also is a little bit smaller than the previous gen, so that helps out with the install. Coverage in the rear, we're going to have 2 laser heads right there and there to protect the plate. 1 radar receiver is going to be behind the bumper. You can add an additional laser head with this system now, so you can have 3 in the rear if you want, or add another one up front. It comes standard with 5 now. And then we just went with a pretty stealth install here. Customer didn't want to see much, so we went ahead and added the LED in the instrument cluster, which is going to give you your red for front threat and blue for rear threat. And then other than that, we just have our little controller down here. So if you need to go ahead and make any modifications to your settings, you can do it all right through here. Sensitivity, volume, mute, so on and so forth. Any questions about this system, give us a call at 716-634-6700, or visit us on the web at CustomRadio.com. But very pleased with the new system. So we can't wait to deliver this vehicle for the customer. Thank you very much.